I just want to share something with you real quick. Simple Woodworking sent me his logo sticker. That's Felipe over there, and he does some like odds and end woodworking projects. It's pretty cool. Go check him out. I'm gonna go ahead and put him up on my board. All right, Felipe. Simple Woodworking. I'll leave you a link down below. Maybe I'll put something up here too. All right. Also, a few months ago, I entered a contest on the Flaming Turner's page. Well, not his page, but his YouTube channel. And I actually won. I don't think I've ever won anything in my life, so this is very exciting to me. He does beautiful work. I'll put a link up here, and I'll leave something down below in the description. But I won this bowl and a pen, so I'm very excited to. Ooh, I see it already. Oh, and he sent me a sticker too. That's definitely going on the wall. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Wow, look at that finish on there. Holy cow. What is that, Nick? Is that a CA finish? This is beautiful, man. Can you guys see that? I don't know if it's focusing on there. The camera's probably not doing it justice, but it's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Nick. And the bowl. Oh my God. This is gorgeous, man. The finish is beautiful. You do wonderful work. Again, I'll leave a link up here and down below. Go check him out. He really deserves your support. Thanks, Nick. It would definitely get Nick up on the board here. Let's see. Put you up here next to Doug, I guess. Flaming Turner, check him out.